Hello dear children, welcome to Digital School. Once again, I am back with a new grammar video. So let's get started now. Yes. Children, what is this? This is a car. Have you traveled by car? Yes? It goes fast, correct? Wherever I want to go, if I go in a car, I go very fast. What is this? Oh, this is a train. Train is faster than a car. So, when I compare between a car and a train becomes faster and car is slower than a train. What is this? Oh, this is very quick person. This is an aeroplane. Have you tried ever? Oh, you have traveled. That's really good. But when I compare all these three, aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Yes, car is fast, train is faster than a car, and an aeroplane is the fastest among all. Today we are gonna learn a very important topic of grammar, and the topic name is adjectives of comparison. Adjectives of comparison have 3 degrees. The first one is positive degree. What does the positive degree do? It speaks about one single person. As you can see, there's only one person. What is this? Let's understand now. The positive degree is used to describe people, places, animals, or things. Examples are Madhu is smart. Tanay is hungry. As you can see, in this degree we are speaking only about one person. Let's go to the next one. The next degree is called comparative degree. What do the word comparative means? When we are talking about two people and we say that one person is better than the other, that is where we compare. So when we talk about two things, we use the degree comparative. Let's understand this. The comparative degree is used to compare two persons, places, animals, or things. We use than after the comparative adjectives. Yes, so normally whenever we write the sentence, we use the word THA and than to compare two people in a sentence. Let's look into the examples. Maria is younger than her brother. Two people are involved, Maria and a brother, and we have used the word than to compare them. The second one. The book is more interesting than the magazine. We are comparing a book and the magazine. And which one is interesting? To compare that, we have used the word more. The last one is superlative. That means the superior or the best among all. What do we do in this degree? We compare one thing with many things, that is 3 or more things. Let's understand this also. The superlative degree is used to compare 3 or more persons, places, animals, or things. Yes, examples are: this is the smallest butterfly I have ever seen. So one butterfly is compared with all the butterflies here. The fox was the most cunning animal in the forest. In the forest, there are many animals, but the most cunning animal is fox. I hope you have understood this. But there are some rules to write the positive, comparative, and superlative degree. The first rule is by adding ER and EST. ER to the comparative degree, EST to the superlative degree. So small becomes smaller and smallest. In the same manner, kind becomes kinder, kindest. And the last one, young becomes younger and youngest. There are many more examples. The second rule says that we need to add R to the comparative degree, ST to the superlative degree. For example, wise becomes wiser and wisest. If you can see, R is added over here and ST is added over here. In the similar manner, nice becomes nicer, nicest. Simple, simpler and simplest. So, there are many more examples of this too. The next rule says you have to remove while and you have to add IER to the comparative degree, IEST to the superlative degree. So the first one is happy becomes happier, happiest. If you can see, IER is added to the comparative degree and IEST is added to the superlative degree. The next one, easy becomes easier and easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. The next rule says by doubling the final consonant and adding ER and EST. So, when we have a word in the positive degree and the ending word is a consonant, we will first double the word and then we will add ER to comparative and EST to the superlative degree. Big becomes bigger and superlative biggest. As you can see, G is doubled and then we have added ER. And in the superlative degree, G is doubled and then we have added EST. Thin becomes thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. The next one, by using more and most. Yes, some words we have which we cannot add anything, so we have more to comparative degree and most to superlative degree. Dangerous will become more dangerous and in superlative most dangerous. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Comfortable, more comfortable and most comfortable. We have many more also. And the last rule, there are irregular comparisons. It means some words we have wherein we need not add any word before it. So, some examples are little, less, least, bad, worse, worst, good, better, best. So children, I believe that you have completely understood this and you have enjoyed this part of grammar also. So keep studying, stay home, stay safe. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you children. Bye-bye.